Good morning, guys!
Ano?
This will be our, show na here in US. So, I'm with Uno and Kuya Jane.
Hi!
POV mode. Hi! POV mode. May nag-vlog ako. Grabe talaga. With mga netizens.
Ano vlog ka?
Yes! Padaan ako. So, after nin, at tumihimat yun nakarigo na. Kailangan na naman kumarigo kay, para niyan, dari aragaw. Tapos kita ka rin gawas. Wow, look at those flowers. Ang lit nga rin gawas, guys. Nakatawa kitchen kaya ito nahera actually. Oh, nakakaguro mo kayong breakfast. Ano aton kuan? Media manager and content creator. Wow!
Kailangan kita apple.
Tsura. Mga busy ang people. Wow, mama. Bonggat breakfast ni mama. Super healthy. Alam, may mag-twinning. May mag-twinning, man. Bananas and pajamas. Tan, 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 tan. Bananas and pajamas. Tan, 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 tan. Ano, magsasagot ka man.
For the warm.
Taray, the food.
Hindi nga rapat pala ni Brian yan. Nag-teaching show na kami.
Ma'am, nagkita ako, ma'am, nila yung mama.
Ha?
Yes, mama. Uy, madala yung Mateo. Ay. Saliwat nga. Tara. Nakita kami ito. Wala respeto talaga. LNU students. Kasi sugat-sugat lang ka. Kita tayong hagas, guys. Dapat na ginaabri mo portangan day.
Portang ka?
Mahagot.
Sakit ang nga.
Good morning. Wow, good morning, California. So mahagot to here. Uy, tsura. So this is their backyard here. Kanina nagipakita nga diha front, asya ito ng room. Tapos dito room na Sir Louie. Lighting. Oh, shaka! Look at the lighting here.
The neighbors.
Grabe. Hello neighbors, good morning to you. Good morning squirrels. Good morning airplane to you. Man, kano that airplane? Charis. Tapos guys, kita dati mga Christmas ka na meron tayo unit up ko lang nakikitaan, Hanovo, charis. Pag nag-Christmas ka na adi man. Look at this. Ay, di ba? Ito ba, damo pa. Wow, damera guys. Look at that puno. Diba guys? Grabe nga di ka perfect. Mahagkot yan na. Pero, pag na lunch time, na pasahiya bagali at Philippine bye. Philippines bye. Chika lang man. Charis. Tas, asyan sa pangaday aray. Nandaramit kami. Charis. Sige, mabalik na kita sa kumtibay na kita ma-award. OA na kita. Charis. Magot. So, pagkitago ka mga dehit. Era front. Pero, wait lang. Whoa. Hindi ko pa nag-alarm. Bagay na doorbell 5-ish ganito pag kikampet mo iya. So, direct magawa, direct ma-award. Hindi na lang kita manginita. Boosh! Hindi na kita bintana ba yung kita ma-award. So, asya niya neighborhood. Uy, it's the neighborhood to you. Later, I'm going to tour you guys. Tour! Grabe po nung aesthetic. So guys, I'm going to take a bath na dahil para niyan dali kayo magkagoromok. So, Naman na kami kumariko. Ay, nawaray pa. Ew. Kaya nakagas. Di na, pwede na gumawas guys. Sa aton ibang boys, nagpipictorial. Tapos masaway naman siya rin. Masaway neighborhood. Kita na. Ay. Oh, fuck. Mga koan. Hey. Wow. Sorry Kuya Peter. Confident, dali nahagkot. Deserve mo. Sorry na picture na test la. Sige, welcome pa niyan ikaw din at mga tao. Tag-iya. Oh, pak. Ito mo yun. Gid, dinot na pa-picture na natin. Pero minala, man all time mo basurahan guys, mapapicture niya guys. Kita na, bagay ka lang kay basura ka. Sorry kami na stay. So this is a home care facility. So kami lang yung stay. And then my backyard. Yeah. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Look at this food. This food, man. Makeup time. Mag-makeup na kami guys. Para, hindi kayo malisangit ko. It's already, oras? Alas 2, alauna. 1 p.m. and our call time. Dapat prepare na kami by 4 p.m. Itang show kay 7 p.m. So, yun na pala. In advance talaga kailangan kayo para makapangaon pa kami and all. So, this. Ano ba kay fresh na? Nag-uuna-una.
Pagmamata ko pa nga nila.
Pagmamata. Taa daw. Ay, tarap. Man, iba. So yeah, that's it. So mag-makeup na kita ka. Pero magkuka na ako, di magulos. But guys, mag-focus na ako pag makeup. So see you later. I'm done with the makeup. Baby! Guys, so we are already preparing for our show. Kumana kami mag-makeup, maglinis ng bahay, magdiskargahan costumes, and props. Yeah. So we're about to go to our to the school. The theater. Yeah. That was, look at this. Houses. On our way to the venue. First show, successful cutie.
fresh.
We're here. Oh, sana also record.
Balik rin natin yung ating t-shirt.
We're here na sa venue. Mr. Chloe, nonchalant talaga ni Ever. Wala talaga nakabatay yung nagya kanina. Bisan, wah. Oh, mga aesthetic. Tatam ko, choice. Iyan na magpo-phone kay niyan. Ma-award by mag-sinelphone. So, focus na niyan. So, we're already here sa venue. Wow, may students. Done. And ako kasi talagang papabideo, magsumo. Attitude. Pakadala na ako na para doon may documentation. Dire kasi kami sure, dire ako sure kung makakag-video-video ka solid. Kay Kuan, you know.
There are restrictions.
Yes. kumain kami ma-hour, nag-video at all. So, hindi na lang.
Look at pretty, ay!
Eya! Eya!
Mga kabarkads ni Iyi.
Ooh. Meron props. Laking isa ba?
Hi there! Hi everyone! Nandito na po kami sa location.
Ay! Pupurola. Padayon.
May 2 baby.
First show. First show. See you later. We're already done. Tapos ang show. Tapos na kayo manipig. Nagko ka na lang. Packing up. Packing up. Okay lang ito. Walang man. Oh. Wawa man. Non-injured. Point daw. Oh, wow. Sarap. By the way guys, since uman naman, pwede na ako makag-tour na dito ko. Kami ng dressing room earlier. Kasi yun yung ginlilibot ko wari backstage. So this is the Vida. Ay! The motherland to you. So this is the music room Adonera. Yes. Kasi Aaron Boys. Tapos, mana siya nung gindadalaganan kanina. Hello, Kuya Dwayne.
Hi to you. To your family.
Hello, Yeye.
Hi.
Sana may bumulaga.
Hello. Hello. Hello, everyone pa.
This is us after the first show.
Yes.
This is us, OMG!
First show done. Yes.
Last is Rio na ning sabag dahil.
Sige, mamaya mo na isipin mo. Hi, Erwin.
Daming tao.
Saan Eddie?
Go Glenda Laban. Go ako sa hello. Some visitor.
Mag-excess baggage gani naman.
Success! Yay!
Bukas! Kalidad, Kuya Sa.
So we're already done mag-film showing. Film showing! Bye! Thank you for watching.